Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, no pregnant become the issue on the harbor and the people on working on harbor. When Madongwe reveals that Nosipo is pregnant, but Nonka tries to stop Madongwe, but Madongwe reveals the truth. While Kapsile and Chambesi tries to keep things professional, but it is clear there is an attraction between their two. But they break the rules of being professional on work. While Mrs. Squala is taken by Nosipo and her ambitions, Mrs. Madlala turns ahead with her new wig, and it seems like he enjoying the new wig. While Madonge is complaining on the wig of Madlala. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.